Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making some banana bread. This recipe includes brown bananas, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, butter, flour, baking soda, brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. I know for a fact you guys want to throw your brown bananas out the balcony, but no, don't do that. Well, life gives you brown bananas. Okay guys, let's just get started. Alright, before I start making the banana bread, I'm gonna preheat my oven. So I click on bake, I click on 320, and then minutes, 30 minutes, and then you start. Okay, first off, we're gonna start with the wet ingredients, which includes 1 ripe banana, by the way, don't forget to mash it. Alright, now we crack in our egg. Now we add in 1/4 cup of milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Now 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That's right, I got baking soda.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
Alright, now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Last but not least, you can't forget that pumpkin pie spice for the fall season. So we're gonna add a little bit right here. Alright, now it's time to mix it. Alright, now that we mixed it, now it's time to add it in the pan. Alright, I just buttered my pan. Now I'm gonna add in the banana bread mixture. Alright, now it's time to spread it out evenly in the pan. Alright, now I'm gonna add this to the air fryer. Alright, I'm gonna put this in here for 30 minutes. Alright, I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Ooh, that banana bread looking good. Alright, now I'm gonna cut myself a thin slice. Now it's time for a taste test. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, this is so good. I can really taste the bananas and it's so moist. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace, and remember, never throw out your brown bananas.